Back to Kids Fun Science. My name's Ken. Today's experiment is a potato, wooden dowel, and hammer. Sometimes seen with a knife, but this is a lot safer version. So basically I put the dowel into the potato, and the question is, how many hits will it take me to knock the potato off the dowel? I'm going to show you that next and the science behind it. But first I want to thank one of my great followers. He saw me at an assembly. His name is Dakkan. Right here's a drawing he drew that I took Star Lab with him, and I want to say this video is for you, bud. Thanks for being a follower, and I will show you the science next. Alright, so hopefully you put your prediction in the comments below on how many hits it'll take to knock the potato off. So I start right here. And as you can see, it is not falling off, but coming up to the top. So I'm going to explain the science of this next, and I'll show you why it works. When you place the dowel on top of the potato and hit it with a hammer, the dowel can slide into the potato instead of just bouncing off or pushing the potato away. This comes down to inertia and friction working together. The potato resists the motion because of inertia, Newton's first law of motion. When the hammer hits the dowel gets a quickly downward force. The potato doesn't move right away, it wants to stay at rest. So because the potato stays still for a moment, the dowel pushes through it. Now the friction part. There's two types of friction here, static and dynamic friction. Static friction is before the sliding is usually higher. The kinetic dynamic friction, while sliding, is usually lower. In this experiment, the first static friction helps hold the potato in place, but once the dowel starts to move into the potato, friction inside the potato resists it, but not enough to stop it. So the simple explanation is when you hit the dowel, it moves fast. The potato stays still for a moment because of inertia, so the dowel goes into it. Friction helps a little, but inertia is the main reason it works. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to click thumbs up and to subscribe, and thanks for watching.